Hey guys, I had to make this video about this ink that's just wonderful. It's Top Color GI20. It's a refill kit, and I'm sure, as I'm showing you right now, this is the best ink, and it's at a fraction of the price. I mean, it's really nice. I use Cyan a lot, and you can see, look at that. It even has a mess-free ink delivery system. Just watch that. It's just beautiful. I love it. Crisp black, and this thing lasts a long time. I mean, really, I've maybe filled this up. This is my second time. That's it, over and over a year. So these MegaTanks, it's the way to go. I'm telling you, it's reliable, it's high quality, and it's budget friendly. So save your money and grab this 4-pack refill kit. I got mine on Amazon, and you can get yours too. Amazon today. Just check it out. I mean, it just fills it up. It's really nice. Got my flashlight out. Check it and look at that. It just sucks it right on in, and you're done. Just like that. All done, ready to go. Shop now on Amazon.